Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. So I saw this message about the short bar strategy, and I just want to address something. I think I actually did not make it clear when I was explaining it, right? So let me show you this. Now I actually trade BTC USD only on Sundays. I think Sundays is the most profitable days with this BTC USD, but I only trade it on Sundays. So this was yesterday, my trades that I actually took on BTC USD. Now, you realize that all these trades was based on the short burst strategy, but all of them was also based on a 15-minute time frame, except for this trade that I actually had to scale to a 5-minute time frame to trade it. So when you look closely at this trade right here and that trade, this is a 15-minute time frame that I used to execute this trade with the short burst strategy. You realize that I'm not trading 1 minute here because I know two things is happening right now. On gold, 1 minute time frame is quite stable. When you come to BTC USD, it's not stable at all. When we look at it, it's not just stable, not even a little bit. Look at it. It's not stable. You cannot be trading this. It's not stable. So I don't really have to be looking forward for trades with a 1 minute time frame right here. And also, when you look at BTC USD, this strategy doesn't really happen much often, right? So if it happens, it's going to be a good setup and should be on a higher time frame, like 15 or 5 minute time frame. But when you go to gold, this strategy happens more than often, right? It happens more often than you can ever think of. It happens almost about every 30 minutes. You probably see this strategy, right? I'm just exaggerating, but trust me, it happens a lot. So because of that, I'm prone to be trading it on 1 minute time frame, because on 1 minute time frame I can get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 within 2 hours. I can get about 6 trading setups with that strategy within 2 hours. And now what I'm just going to be left with is to understand, is it going against the trend or is going according to the trend? If it's going according to a trend, that is probably a very high setup. I'll enter into the trade. If it's not, I'll probably just enter into 1:2 or 1:3, right? Because I think it's going to be a retracement. You understand the differences? So it doesn't matter. Even on gold, if you want, you can use it on a bigger time frame, and it will still show. These patterns will still show, but it will just take a little bit of time before actually showing, right? It will take some time before actually showing. So that is just it. Just try your best and learn it very well and backtest it, see how it works, and start to use it. That's just all I want to say. Have a nice week, you guys. The 714 method is coming. I hope you guys used the MBK strategies this morning, but the 714 method is coming. So just try your best and do what, trade it as well. I think I should start doing the weekly analysis again. What do you guys think? If you want me to start doing the weekly analysis again, I think you guys have learned a lot from it. So I'm quite tempted not to continue it, but I think a lot of people still need it. So what do you think? If you think it's good for me to continue it, I'll just try my best and drop last week's on just today or something like that. But yes, let's see what happens next. Obviously today is going to be a good day because gold has been trending quite a while, and it has been giving us some really good setups so far. It's trying to give us some good setups so far, right? So yes, let's see what happens. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.